Here I've got ZTE Axon 10 Pro, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to select the language that you would like to have your device in. So here you've got all the possibilities, and I will stay with English US, then tap on Start. And now you can connect to mobile network if you want to right now, but you can also insert SIM card later, so I will skip it. And now let's connect to the network, to the Wi-Fi minus this, so let me click on the particular network. And now you can copy your data from your Google account if you want to, but I will skip it. And now you can log in with your Google account if you want to. You can also skip this step, but actually I will log in with my Google user because it will allow us to use some further features. So let me enter email address. And tap on next. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is. And as only the password is entered, just tap on next. And okay, so I had to mistype the password. Let me do it one more time. Now it should work properly, and then just tap on next. And here you should come along with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just tap on I agree. And here you've got all the mentioned Google services. So for example, if you would like to allow scan and leave it this way, but I would like to switch off this option, then you can also use backup and so on. Then tap on accept once selected. And here you can add fingerprint if you want to, but I will skip it for now, even though it's super useful feature, but you can set up later. And then let me tap on next here. You can use your voice assistants, but I will skip it for now. And now it's time to add another email account if you want to do it, change the font size, change the wallpaper, but it all can be done later, so you can customize your phone later. That's why I will click on no thanks. And that's it. Here we've got the privacy policy prepared by ZTE. Tap on I agree. And here you can choose your navigation gestures. And that's it. As you can see, you've just activated your phone and you can smoothly use it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.